Thanks for checking out Scotties Hobbies. This is a rotors and pad set that you could find right here on Amazon. What I like about this set is they're from PowerStop. If you check out Scotties Hobbies YouTube channel, most of, if not all of the brake jobs I do on there are using the PowerStop brake pads and rotors set. The one thing that I really like about these sets is lube, comes with the lube, but more importantly, this set includes a hardware kit. You always want to replace the hardware kit when you're doing a brake job, if there is one, and this set always comes with them. Best ones out there. So brake pads, we're going to install these very soon, so make sure you check out Scotties Hobbies YouTube. I'll be uploading a video very soon on how to replace the rear pads and rotors on a Honda CR-V. That's what this set is for. So PowerStop Evolution Plus brake pads with matching rotors. This is the way to go. Highly recommend them. Check for a video coming out soon on installation. Thanks for checking out Scotties Hobbies, and I'll see you on the next hopefully helpful video.